How would somebody go about setting themselves up as being self-employed?
Well, one of the first things to do is to make sure that self-employment or sole trader is the right thing that you want to do,
Okay.
as opposed to perhaps setting up as a company. Now, the two things are very different. For instance, you mentioned sole trader being self-employed. Very, very easy. Very simple to register. Very simple books and records. Simple administration, and quite often an easy way of getting yourself into being self-employed and running your own business, particularly perhaps if you're in employment at the moment and you're looking to set up a business on the side. So a nice, easy way of getting into it.
What's the first step for somebody that's left their previous employment and wants to set up as being self-employed and has decided that self-employment as opposed to sole trading is the way that they want to go?
Within 3 months of receiving your first income, you need to register with the Inland Revenue. Very straightforward process, 5-minute telephone call, or you can do it online. And what I'd advise people to do is, don't get on the wrong side of the revenue at the start. It really isn't a good way of getting that relationship working. So 0845 915 4515 is the telephone number. Register with them and get yourself legitimate. Now, one of the reasons that people may shy away from that is that they've misunderstood how much of their income is going to be taxed when they're self-employed. So you need to remember that when you're legitimate and you're trading legitimately, you can earn virtually £6,500 tax-free, because everyone has a personal allowance, and although that allowance changes every year, you can get on, get earning, and maybe in your first year, the tax that you're going to pay isn't going to be as much as you thought. So get legitimate, get registered, and get started.